Matthew, what you got? What you got? What is that?
Plaza Doom.
The what?
Plaza Doom.
Blobs of Doom.
Yeah, I have it too.
Is that your new game that Miss Christine gave you? Matthew, can you tell her thank you?
Thank you.
Yes, you did very, very well.
You get to play more.
What you got, Sarah?
You'll help me?
You look like you're having a pretty good time. What you got going on down there? Got your gloves?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that the right hand?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I think that might go on the other hand, sweetie.
That's it.
Doesn't that feel funny on your thumb, though?
Yeah.
I bet if you put it on the other hand, it wouldn't feel so funny.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
They'll put each other. That's the right hand.
That hat is so cool.
Yeah. And it's so pretty.
It's too bad it's not sunshiny outside, huh?
No, it's not. It's raining.
But that didn't stop you from playing, huh?
Yeah, but it is not raining right now.
Are you sitting in a puddle that you poured out with your watering can?
Well, no. Are you
Just
not?
beside it, huh?
Yeah. On a bubble?
Got all the fingers right?
No. No, the water might can. Put it in the water.
Oh, is it going to grow?
Yeah.
Yeah? What a sweet flower.
It's a yellow flower.
That was a nice gift, huh?
Yeah, there's an orange flower.
Who's that gift from, Sarah?
Miss Lou. I don't know.
Miss Christine.
Miss Christine.
Uh-huh. Look here. Can you look at the camera and tell Miss Christine thank you?
Thank you.
Okay.